our truck camper that we just bought like a week ago. It's a 1997 Lance 990, and it's the 11 feet 3 inches extended cab. It has the electrical jacks and the hand crank jacks. The ladder goes on the roof. The roof is one piece aluminum, so that's really nice because you won't have to, it's not a rubber roof, so you don't have to worry about ripping it, and you don't have to put the sealant coat on it all the time. It has an awning, it works. It's a hand crank one, but we pulled it out yesterday and it looks to be in really good shape and works really nice. And then it has these windows which open up like this instead of slide, which is really nice because if it rains, the water's not going to go inside, it will just flow off. There's a generator in here. It's the original one that came with the truck camper. I'm not sure if it works or not. All of the seals need to be resealed with new silicone because all of it's really old. It does have wire damage right here, so this panel right here will need to be replaced. 2 propane tanks here, which are new. The people just replaced them, and this whole system is new and they're filled up, so that's really nice. It does have a little bit of damage right here. When the people were taking off their truck, they didn't lift it far enough and it got ripped off a little bit, but this is not a big deal. Just screw it in and silicone it up and it should be fine. But yeah, this is the front. The bed goes from front to back. You sleep like that, and it has like shelves on the sides, so there's like a lot of room up here. That's why it sticks out so much. It's the extended cab version. And it has a window up here in the front, which is really nice. It makes the sleeping area really spacious inside.
And we can look at the stars.
Yeah, you can look at the stars. And yeah, it has a window up front and on both sides of the bed. And so it makes the inside area really spacious. That's really nice. But yeah, we just put it on top of these cement blocks we got because my truck has a little bit bigger wheels than normal, so we had to lift it up a little bit, but it's really like stable and everything, so that's good. This is just the plug that you plug into your truck so all the lights work when you're driving. And then this is the where you fill up your clean water. And then right here is where the battery goes. We currently don't have one. We'll have to buy one. This is just the amp hookup if you want to hook up at the RV park. Not even sure what this is yet because yeah, I'm still learning stuff. And then this is the outdoor shower, but apparently this knob is stuck so you can open it, so I'll have to replace that. Then this is just the black water and gray water stuff in there. It has a little vent window that comes from the shower. This is the vent that's inside the area, and then that right there is the AC, and down there you have the emergency exit that you can get out from the sleeping area. But yeah, the roof is really dirty, but it's the aluminum, so you won't have to put the rubber seal on it all the time. But yeah, like I was saying, all the silicone is really old, so all of this stuff will need to be resealed also. It has been standing for a long time that people weren't using it. I will do a little tour of the inside.
So when you come in, we have our little dinette here. It has a table that you can detach, and this actually turns into a little bed. You can flip out this seat right here into a bed, remove the table. And we have windows all around the dinette, which I really like. The one thing I like about this camper is that there's a bunch of windows. It's very bright in here. It doesn't feel confined. You can see it's very bright. All the windows are open right now. All the blinds are open. We plan on removing all of these pieces here and just putting in little window shades that I'll try to make myself. And right here is some storage that also folds out into a bed, but we're just going to use it as storage. A little kitchenette. There's a little stove, a three burner stove. Now there's a little sink a nice big fridge for a camper and a freezer and a little microwave. So it has everything you need. Here's a little closet for hanging clothes, and here is the bed. We just took out the mattress, getting a new one. That one was the original one from 1997. But here we have a queen-sized mattress that would fit in here.
Yeah.
And there is a little bit of water damage all around the 3 windows here that we have to replace the plywood. But it also has storage around the windows as well. And I really like that it does have that window up there in the front. It doesn't make it feel like a coffin in here.
Yeah, and all these like cabinets on the side, it makes it a lot of storage and a lot of room. And that's one of the things we were looking for, is to sleep from like the front to the back. We didn't want to sleep like across, because then you have to like crawl over each other and everything if you want to go somewhere.
And here is the bathroom. It has a nice mirror here. And it is a dry bath, so the shower is separate from the toilet, which is really nice. But that's another thing that we were looking for.
So it has a little toilet right here, so there's some stuff in there, and that's the shower. And it has a vent up there with a window, so it makes it look more spacious.
And it has a window right here.
And it has a window right there too. And a cabinet.
And a little sink here.
And it has another cabinet here. A sink there. It is small, but for a truck camper, it's actually like, I think the biggest you can get probably.
Yeah. This camper has a really nice layout. It's very spacious for a truck camper. We looked at another one before this, and it just felt really small. But it didn't have the little extension in the back that hung over the truck, so that's probably why. It feels really roomy, a bunch of windows, nice big dinette, nice cabinets and counter space.
There's a lot of storage too for a truck camper.
So what we plan on doing is painting everything, sanding down the cabinets, priming them and painting them. I'm gonna try to reupholster these, because this is from 1997. I want new ones and new foam, new material over them. Getting rid of all these blinds and putting in nice light white shades.
We're gonna rip off the linoleum.
Yep.
Put in a waterproof vinyl plank flooring. So it looks like real wood, but it's like 100% waterproof.
We're getting that new mattress after we fix the leak.
You can see a little bit right there and right there. So like that whole, like pretty much from there all the way down will need to be replaced. And there's some water damage under that window and under that window. The floor seems solid, but I'm not sure. I don't know, maybe we'll rip the carpet out and see if it does look weird. We'll probably just replace it.
So everything's going to be light in here and white.
All the carpet will go out everywhere.
All the green that you see will be gone. And replace these ripped shades on here.
Then that's.
But other than that, it needs a good cleaning. And this is just how we bought it. We haven't really done anything to it
Yeah,
yet.
the outside we'll have to re-silicone all the gaps and everything. Give it a good washing.
Because it's like it has lichens on the roof.
Yeah. And I want to get rid of these. These are supposed to be like a little storage where the space between your truck bed and the
Can you open these?
camper.
Are they stuck? Can't get it.
But there's like barely any storage there. It's just like gaps. There's gaps around the door to go outside. I want to just like cover it all up and make a nice, solid, sturdy base. You can hear them banging around right now, like from the wind.
Yeah.
You can see them moving from the wind.
Gaps.
Yeah, you can see actual.
I would imagine that'd be bad and cold or really hot.
You can see actual gaps. These vents, they're old and yellow. I'm not sure we're gonna replace them or maybe like take them off and try to paint them, put them back on, because they're kind of expensive if you want to buy the real, like the good brand ones, or like $100 something each. So, and we'll try to replace all these small lights maybe, because they're really old too.
This is the first look of our truck camper that we're gonna have for our new adventure, traveling across the U.S.
Stay tuned for what we're gonna do with it.
Did you see this cabinet?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was easy.
You didn't think it was gonna be this bad?
Let's go see if there's anything else. And this is kind of what I want to do.